It's time for another tech tip for experts, authors, and entrepreneurs. Hello, I'm Chet Davis, and I'm your technology tutor. Today's tip, business card scanning app. So if you're like me, you're out and about, you're at meetings, you're at conferences, maybe you're delivering speeches in front of companies and lots of individuals, and you're presented with a number of different business cards. Well, how do you manage those? You can get a big old stack of cards, and after a while it becomes unwieldy. Well, at a recent conference, I came across an app for my iPhone called CardCam, and I want to show that to you right now. Now, by preference and choice, I do use the iPhone as my mobile device, as my mobile phone. You might be using an Android phone, perhaps a Windows phone, and the app that I've selected to talk about today to share with you is available on each of those platforms as well. But there are tens, if not hundreds, of apps that will do something similar to this. I was looking for one that was very affordable. This is a free version. They also have a slight premium version as well that gives you some additional features and also some web interface. And I wanted one that worked well and that people were happy about. And as a rule, several reviews, both from journalists as well as end users, said this is a particularly good one. So we're going to go into the landscape mode in a moment, but first in portrait mode here, I just want to show you some of the menus. So we're going to go ahead and launch CamCard. And you can see right away when we come in, there's a profile, and you can add your own card. You can scan your card, which I'm going to show you in a second, or you can manually add your information. I don't want to show you all the features because this is supposed to be a quick tech tip. But what's nice is you can actually send your card electronically back and forth. We can do that, of course, with AirPlay and some other contact information, but it's a nice little piece here. So we're going to go ahead now and add a business card. I want to show you how quick and easy it is to add a card. And I did this at the end of my conference day when I collected business cards from colleagues and other potential partners and customers and captured them right in my device. I didn't even have to bring the cards home with me. It's very nice, very efficient, quick, and it saves me from having to do all this work when I get back home. But let's go ahead and we're going to rotate the phone into the landscape mode because that's the orientation we need to capture the card correctly. So what we're going to do is we're going to touch the little blue camera icon at the bottom of the screen. And what we're going to do is, you see I've got one of my older business cards here. And what you do is you place it in a reasonably well-lit place. Go ahead and kind of make it even. And all you have to do is capture the card in the green box. See that green box? And hold it steady for a few moments. And it'll tell you if it needs to get closer or further away. Now watch how fast it scans. It uses what's called OCR software. OCR, which stands for Optical Character Recognition Software. You can see the card that we've scanned at the top, and scrolling down, it auto-filled this information. So mobile phone, work fax, email address, company name. Now the nice thing is you can see where it says Macro H System. Well, it tried to read the logo you see at the top of the screen. So we can go ahead and click that, and we can correct that. You can also go in here if you wanted to and add additional information maybe that wasn't on the card. And that's one of the cool things too. You see we down here, you can create different groups. So I can make different groups. Maybe if you attend a conference or you do a presentation or a book signing at a company, you can indicate where that contact came from. You can also even add the backside to business cards. So some cards have front and back. And in fact, I do have one of those right in my grouping here. Go ahead and click on this contact. Now, once you've entered a contact, go ahead and you pull down the top, and you can see the business card at the top here. That's the one side. As I slide my finger back and forth, you see you can go back and forth between two different sides if it's a double-sided card. Again, I find this a very, very useful app. It's called the CamCard app. On their website, there's more information. You can see there's a web portal here. So by signing in, you have your card synchronized. And here's the card I just scanned, literally, just a couple minutes ago, and that information has now been synchronized and brought into the web app that I can bring up on my computer where I can do additional editing. Again, the app is called CamCard. You'll find the website and more information at camcard.com, camcard.com. And that's it for this tech quick tip for authors, experts, and entrepreneurs. My name's Chet Davis, and I'm your technology tutor. I hope you'll consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, Your Technology Tutor, for additional forthcoming useful tips and information.